1, 2. Okay. Now we've got the vertical scene. Let's get some YouTube running. I got some. Okay, so this is what we got here. Okay. Are we live? Oh yes we are. Oh yes we are. Are we live? Yes we are live, actually. Oh yes we are. Oh yes we are live. Yes we are live, actually. Oh yes we are. Okay. Let's hit it. Let's go. Let's go. What time is it? Oh, the market is actually open. It's actually market open already. So let's thank the Lord for this day as we start our trading for the day. Let's give it unto Jesus and see how we go today. Okay. Let's give it unto the Lord Jesus Christ and see how we perform today. And hopefully we do well. Yeah. Let me just sell my journal and then. Okay. Looks like we've already tapped into this H1. H1 unmitigated, and here we are rejecting. On ESC we are rejecting this H1 unmitigated as well. So I might need to move my screen off to this side a little bit, just like that. And here we are rejecting this and then move my face to the top. Oh maybe here, right? Yeah. What about the H4? Okay. Nice. We've got this H4 unmitigated. Yeah. What about here? We don't have anything on ES, but NQ we do have some stuff. Okay, I need to duplicate this tab. Yeah. And click this one and then log out. And take this one, take it to the screen down here. Looks like we're already tapping the H4 unmitigated. Looks like you're already tapping into the H4 unmitigated. What's the 15-minute saying? So I've got the 15-minute LFVG that is up here. M15 LFVG that is out there. Then H4 unmitigated there, and then right now on ES we are kind of like resisting on this one, so if we invest that we might be going higher. No, that's wrong. That's not how you draw it. Yeah, so if we invest that we might be going higher, which should be pretty decent to be fair. Let's see, and we've got some trend line liquidity down here. Nice. Looks like we've got some trend. Nice. It's beautiful. Okay. Or we might use this. Might use just this. And then price might want to, come back down here. But anyway, let's just see how this thing goes. Let me just fix my trade copier, guys. Sorry. Okay, it's working. We've got this imbalance here on the H2. H2 unmitigated. Yeah, so my wife did I get that? And then on ES, this is the last favorite gap of this leg. This one right here. It's the last favorite gap of the leg. One hour, we are in this tiny 1 hour gap. And here we haven't got much to be fair. Right, this could have been a trade, a continuation model, but the problem is ES didn't really leave anything for us here. No fair value gap. Is that a knock? ES didn't really leave anything here. Huh? What? Pindah? Yeah? Pindah tinzwe? What? Alright, here we go. Hey Siri, set an alarm for 1500 hours.
I've turned on your 1500 hours alarm.
Yeah, we just want a continuation model here towards the Asian high on ES. Towards the Asian high on ES and the H2 unmitigated on NQ. This is what we like to see, you know. When you're leaving gaps like this, like the M5 unmitigated, it's a really it's a really strong confluence. Yeah, for us to get a continuation model, we want price to come either into this M5 unmitigated or the one below. For us to go down for the trend line liquidity, we want to see that one at the bottom get in first, and then yeah, or we want to see price kind of like where's that? Yeah, kind of like come down, right, and find some sort of support, and then then we do that, then yeah, we'll be good to go. That's what I would like to see. But now we don't have a thing. This is like the ICT 2022 model continuation. We break above that and then we come back, we step into the fair value gap, and then we buy and then stop below this high or this low or below the first, yeah, above the below the first gate of the fair value gap. I don't remember, but stop should be somewhere here. The long will be looking like this, long into the fair value gap, right, and then stop here on the second candle or just above there, and then we target our whatever liquidity, whatever. All right, that would be out there. That would be beautiful. Getting fat. Getting fat. Anyways, just been messaged from work telling me to do some freaking great place to work. Okay, are we gonna invest that and then go for the M5, whatever? That's too close, bro. The RR is not worth it, bro. Yeah, the RR is not worth it, bro. Yeah, that'll be like a 1-to-1. Ooh, interesting. Then this is where we move our stops to break even. Yeah, if I had entered that, I'd have entered somewhere here, right? And then stop right here, right? And then TP maybe in these, whatever. But now that would be a break even anyway. That will be break even. So now we've tapped into the 5-minute unmitigated, right? And then we are going to leave a fair value like that. But if we tapped into the 5-minute on ES though, or there is no 5-minute. Okay, interesting. This is what we like to see, right? And then we invest this, right? After investing that, then we can go for the highs. Beautiful stuff, bro. Beautiful stuff, bro. Okay, I've just received a message from work telling me to do the fucking... No, I don't swear, bro. What are you doing? Telling me to do the freaking great place to work, something like that. Bro. Let me just do it. My work has special meaning. This is not just a job. What's meaning, bro? The hell? Bro. Ah, shit. Alright, so this is where we enter longs, right? Don't take that high, bro. Chill. Don't take that high, please. No. Bro, don't take that high, bro. No. The hell? Nasdaq, why, bro? This is not... Was taking that high really necessary though? This high was not supposed to be taken, bro. You were not supposed to take this high. This was supposed to be our break even, and then we enter. You're supposed to close somewhere here, and then we enter, and then boom, nice little trade, bro. And this is what you do. Why, bro? Why, bro? Okay, anyway, just received a message to do this great place to work thingy from work. Bro, great place to work. Okay, let me just do it. My work has special meaning. This is not just a job. What is it then? It's got a special meaning. Okay. Let me say almost always untrue. No. Almost always true, yeah. 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 I am given the resources and equipment to do my job. Almost always true. Everyone has the opportunity to get special recognition. Okay, almost always true. People are willing to give extra to get the job done. Yeah, there are people that give extra though, but it's weird, bro. Like, people come to work to like work on you, then they're giving too much extra, bro. Just come to work, do your job, and go home. Go home, bro. Some people treat this job like it's I don't know, bro. Just do your work. Do what you have to do, right? What's needed to be done. Do that and leave and go home, right? Rather than coming to work and then working on people. Like, there are actually people that are actually looking at you, bro. Looking at what you're doing. And then they will leave you. They'll let you do the wrong thing. And then after that, they'll go and report you. That is not giving extra to get the job done. That is working on people, bro. You're not doing your job. You're working on people. Management makes its expectations clear, bro. Let me just tick always true, bro. Almost always true. Almost always true, bro. I ain't got time for this shit, man. Oh, let them get the max. Almost always true. Almost always true on every single damn thing. I can be myself. People look forward to coming to work here. Promotions go to those who best deserve them. People are treated fairly regardless of their race. Management matches its words, blah blah. People here fairly regardless of their gender, whatever. Bro, this is so many questions, bro. Almost always true. Bro, true. I mean, I feel I make a difference here. Okay, what difference, bro? Over the last year, how many fingerprint opportunities have you? A lot. How much confidence do you have in your executive judgment, team's judgment, blah 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 blah. What motivates you? Job security, work-life balance. Okay, yeah, work-life balance. Great. That's true. Do you have any chronic physical? Yes, I have physical. No, I don't. Do you identify as LGBTQ, lesbian, gay, transgender, what's that? Queer plus. I identify as. Prefer not to answer. What is your gender? Another gender not listed. I'm neither male nor female, bro. My gender is not listed here, bro. My gender is not listed. Okay. Optional. What's the gender? You know what, guys? Let me just Google some genders here so that I can fill in this form. Let me Google some genders. I don't know. How many genders? Colonized in the UK. 21, bro. What are they? Okay. Let's go to Copilot search. I think this will be faster. No, bro. Just say read more here. Okay. 21 genders are officially recognized by NHS. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. 21 genders are recognized by the NHS, which includes a range of identities beyond the original male. However, it's important to note that non-binary genders are not recognized in UK law and government as no reliable estimate of the size of the non-binary population. Okay, give me a list of genders, bro. 10 examples of genders. Bro, just give me examples of genders, bro. I need to fill in this form, bro. My gender is not listed here, bro. Wasting my time. My bad, guys. My bad. Let's get back to work. I'm not in this trade, by the way. I'm not. Because this candle here closed here was too far, which means because you enter at candle closure, right? So which means I'll be entering here at my break even level, right? If you would have maybe closed somewhere down here just above the favorite gap, I would have entered, right? But then yeah, I'm not in this trade anyway. So yeah, I'm just looking at this gender stuff. In your personal life, for whom do you have caregiving, financial obligation, children, elders, pets? None of the above, bro. Is there anything unique or unusual about this company that makes it a great place to work? Please give specific example, bro. To be fair, I haven't worked anywhere else, so I don't really know if there is anything special about them. To be fair, what if it's everywhere? I don't know. Alright, what we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? What have we got here? Is there anything unique, unusual about this work company that makes it a great place to work? Bro, is there anything unique or unusual about this company that makes it a great place to work? Please, I don't know, bro. I ain't got answers. What's happening? GBP USD, bro. Who trades that, bro? Not a forex trader, bro. Looks like we've got a problem here. The time is 2 minutes past 10, and it's 3 o'clock here in the UK. So I'm gonna have to go for a minute because I need to go and pick up my little brother from school. Yeah, I'll be 10 minutes. No, 15 minutes. No, 20. I don't know, whatever. But I'll be back. Be right back. Yo, yo, yo. I'm back. I'm back, but it kind of looks like we've missed out on so much stuff. Crazy work, crazy work. Bro, the trend line has been tapped, bro. Tapped into the trend line. And yeah, so we invested here. Would I have taken this trade? No, I don't think so. Yeah, like that. I don't think so, no. But still, would have been a great trade. Alright, let's see if we can inverse that and continue downwards. But the problem with that is ES is not inversing. ES is not inversing. Because do we have like a 2-minute or something? Oh, it's a 2-minute. I think we can survive. If the 2-minute has inversed, we can probably try to enter here, right? Okay, I'm in shorts here. Yeah, I'm in and out. We tapped into the 5-minute LFVG. Tapped into the 5-minute LFVG. So this is like a reaction off of that. me see if my trade copier is working, guys. Alright, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to call it a day here, to be fair. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call it a day. Yeah, call it a day. Yeah, call it a day. Yeah.